Greetings from Florida. Here we're working on a Yukon, Tahoe, Silverado, 2007 to 14, the right rear. We've got a small cover behind that silver handle and a 10mm bolt there. Gonna pop off the switch housing, unplug it. You might be able to find these on my website, upanddownmainstreet.com. Take a look. Thank you. There was one or two 10mm bolts right through where you pull the door closed. That oval shaped, I might have taken them out. On the back, you've got a cable that goes to the silver handle. You'll need to take a pair of small needle nose pliers, push in the two tabs that retain the cable, and you should be able to pull it out. I'm going to pull the plastic, the moisture barrier off so you can see what's going on. This is actually pretty easy to do. If you find this beneficial, do me a favor, like the video, L-I-K-E, like the video. That helps other people, such as yourself, find it on YouTube. Lift it up a little bit. We're going to loosen those two clips, 10mm bolts. Put my suction cup up there. Pull that down, put the window all the way up. A little WD-40 on the two up and down channels on the side, the ones you have access to, makes everything flow smoother. You've got 6 10mm bolts that hold the regulator and motor in place. Comes out no problem. Unplug the wiring harness from the motor. And there's the new one. Oh, I couldn't get access to the wiring harness as easily as I wanted to, so I took it back out again. You know, plug it in before you put it back in. And then notice that silver hanging retainer. It's towards the right, just above where it's open. You'll see how it's hanging to the side. Tape it. I didn't do that. I forgot to do that on this one, and as a result I had to take the panel off again to get that back aligned. But if you tape it to the side where the hole goes, it'll be easier to line up with the bolts when you put them back in. And once you put it up, you can go ahead and tighten down the two 10mm bolts that hold the clips on. Here I'm putting a little WD-40 on the channels on the side. Just a dab will do you don't need much. It's a good idea. And I think you can watch the rest of this on your own. You'll find again that I had to take the panel off a second time because I forgot to take care of that small retaining speed nut, I think they're called. So remember to do that. And again, if this was helpful for you, do me a favor, like the video. And thank you for watching. Have a great week.